We are playing Animal Hospital here with my friend Stefano. Anyways, let's hop into a video. Let's hop into the video. Let's go in. Dude! Skip Dr. Dialogue, I don't even care. Start now. Finding what's really happening, okay. I don't know, he's muted, I think. Unmute. Skipping Dr. Dialogue. Okay. I'm secretary. If you want to know what his channel name is, I don't know, I think it's Playing Conquer the World or something like that. I don't remember. He has like a dog picture. Baby Dash hated that. If you want to know. Take a photo. Complete analytics on PC. Let me show you on the. So practically, this game is like an anomaly game where patients come in. You have to see if they are anomalies or not. You check the cameras right here. There's a shutter, and you can see them from the photos. Things might happen, like I don't know, there'll be a monster on the patient's bed. There can be like I don't know, rituals. Like there is an anomaly that really bangs his head on this one right here. And you can close the shutters, which is kind of stupid. And yeah, practically the sanity is our health. Yeah, and if you reach 0, you die. You can read it right here. And get a stamina with chocolate, which is pretty expensive. Yes, I don't know what that is. Drink coffee for sanity. Yep. You can also buy a gun. Pretty good. Let's go. Practically, there are classes in this game. You have to take the DNA sample. Put it in here. Dry eyes. Okay, we gotta go get the eye drops. Now you have to wait for the patient to recover. And yes, there is a shop. Practically a shop you can buy like stuff, I guess. Here's your shift report. Excellent, yeah. And who's the best? I don't know. Oh man. The fun. That's all for. I think it's a pretty cool game, I guess. I have the secretary class. I like it. Cameras open it. Yeah, you register them, then you do that. Hey yo, what the? I was I the only one who heard that? I don't know. He just doing the room 5. Oh no, there was a stalker. Anyways, I play Animal Hospital. Like I guess it could be a good game. They like more lore to it though. You can unlock these rooms in after this shift, and you unlock this shop where you can like buy upgrades, health, sanity, coins, whatever, faster computers and stuff like that. And let's go treat the patients, I guess. Where's there's no one in here? Take the DNA sample, analyze the sample. Maple syrup and herbs. Yo, what? Where are we giving them maple syrup? Oh, and if you want to get rid of the bad monster or like these creatures in your room, just get maple syrup. They'll get it from you. They'll steal it, I guess.
Artur, te rog, că nu știu ce să fac aici.
Dude, the head bang bang, okay. We need the coffee. Okay, let me get the coffee. This is how you get rid of the bang bang. Yo, what is this guy doing? Ask to leave. They just give him like you can give him one sip if you want to. And then he officially leaves. And yes, you can close the shutters, open them. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, and you can fix the cameras. Fix the cameras. Camera fixed, okay. There. And that's all for today, folks. Comment down below your rate about this, how much do you rate about this game. That's all for today, folks. Bye.